Shemai and Borada everyone, my name is Alex, to do it with my other hand, and welcome to the Ballet Cymru online tutorials of Class 2, Glissés from 5th at the barre. And as always, before taking part in this video, make sure to read our disclaimer and make sure you're wearing appropriate clothing, glass of water nearby, and a good amount of space. Okay, let's get started. So we'll start our exercise in 5th with the arm to 2nd, 5, 6, 7, 8. And we're going to take 3 glissés and a hold en croix. So we'll start with 1, 2, 3, hold, 4, side, 5, 6, 7 and 8, derrière, 2, 3, now 2 piqués, 5, 6, 5th, 7, hold 8. Although it's quite fast, so it won't feel so much like a hold. And then reverse. 1, 2, 3, hold, 4, 2nd, 5, 6, 7, 8, devant, 1, 2, 3, 4, piqué, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now we'll continue our piqués with a little sequence. Going en croix. 1, 2, 3, cloche, 4, cloche, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, close, 8. To repeat, reverse. 1, 2, 3, 4, cloche, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, close 8. And whenever we do our jetés, you really want to make sure that the standing leg is completely braced like an iron pole. It does not under any circumstances bend. You want to keep it pulled up, the front of the thigh pulling up the kneecap and the inner thigh rotating round. It should never bend. It should stay completely straight the entire time throughout the exercise. Or that's what you want to aim for. For these piqués, I've added sort of 2 ways in which you can do them. For the first ones that we'll be doing with our inside leg, I want you to try and think of having a stop after each one. 5 and 6, 7, 8. To really feel 2 straight legs beating together, because it's one of those exercises that helps prep us for our battery, and more so for when we go to do cabriole in the centre when we eventually get back to Grand Allegro in the studio. And for the piqués en croix we're going to be doing, try and think of them being nice and light. Piqué is naturally a very light movement. So when you're doing the ones going around, really think of going up and over, up and over, up and over an object. Okay? One more thing for those jetés, and it's a standard rule that applies for whenever you're doing jetés, glissés, if you call them that, tendus. Always make use of the floor, especially when moving quickly. The floor, if you think of pushing down and into the floor is what will help move quickly. dancer, yay! Thank you guys for tuning in today. I hope you enjoyed yourselves and I hope you're making the most of this time we've got while we're in lockdown. Up next, there'll be a video coming from Patricia Vallis, who's been delivering our Pilates videos, and she'll be teaching us a phrase in her native language. As always, we really love to hear from all of you guys, so tag us in any of your dance videos, message us directly on what you're getting up to. We'd love to hear from you, okay? Stay safe everyone, and I'll see you on one of our next videos. Bye!